Hello, hello, hello. Bit of a cryptic stream title today. Make sure everything's working. Loading, loading. Alright, so it all begins with this very strange note that I found in my notes that I have a vague memory of. Like, I think I was trying to type something down after I had a dream, but then I don't remember typing this, or I don't even really remember how they got there, so I made a little note under it. But then I look it up, and apparently a Loreus box is a thing. So let me turn on the lights. Woo! Nice. So I have one right here, or rather I have one inside this box. Not really sure what it is, but I got it from eBay, and you can see it's like pushing itself out of the box. This is the beginning of a friggin' creepypasta. Okay, inside sort of another packaging. I don't want to reveal any sort of information on this packaging, so I'll hide it from the camera. There. There we go. Didn't think it would be 2 layers of packaging. Okay. Yes. So there it is. Oh, and it's got... There we go. Whoa. It's sort of like a trinket box. There, that's a good view of it. And that's what this is what I remember seeing on eBay. Oh, it's got like a price tag. Can't exactly read the price tag, but something 99. It's free 99. So yeah, I was just gonna use this as a trinket box, but oh shoot, I didn't bring it over. In honor of that cryptic message that I must have left for myself, I have one thing to go get. Sorry. This is... There. Now, to be clear, I don't think nothing's gonna happen, but I just have to do it for the meme. There we go. And what meme? Yeah, I guess it's not the meme if no one else knows what the heck, or not even myself knows what the heck I was talking about when I wrote that down. I guess that's it. Stream over. Just kidding. Also, I want to look at these newspaper clippings from the person who sent me this. Nothing super interesting, just the ads. This one looks like an article. Mud will fly at Hamas Valley Fun Days. Okay. Interesting. Winston Dillard Melon Festival enters its 51st year. Hell yeah. There's children participate in a sack race at the Winston Dillard Melon Festival. Anyway, oops. other summer fun. County fairs. Oh geez, I'm being bullied. Okay, so have you ever heard of a Loreus box? Because me neither. Until shoot, I put it on the wrong scene. Until this suspicious message appeared in my notes that apparently I wrote, but let me put this in here. So I did it. I cooled a Loreus box. I don't know why I did it. Well, I did it because I wanted this box because I looked up what it is, and I was like, that's kind of cool. Could hold trinkets, and then I put it in the ice because I have ice. And the suspicious message told me to. That's presumably me telling myself, but I don't remember it. It is so cool. But I guess didn't make me any cooler. But I also have another package to unbox while this thing cools for no reason. And this one's a lot more exciting. I didn't have any, yeah. This one's from Clockwork Pie. Okay, that's the end that opens. No? Oh, I see. Just gotta cut the rest of it. Always cut toward yourself. Safety. Also, I finally set up this GoPro camera. I had it at my old place, but glad that I finally got that set up. Ooh. I'm an unboxing channel now. Pico Calc from Clockwork Pie. Oh, they sent me the... How kind of them to send me the missing piece. This is a snazzy looking device. Shoot. Ooh. Assembly guide. That's nice. And it's all safely packed away in here. Unlike the other package, which was bulging at the seam. This isn't a finds a calculator, but you can't do really hard math from like 5,000 times 4 without it. 6,000. Oh, stupid. But you were right in saying code this pants grab, as I'm such a nerd that I got excited by buying a calculator. Well, this isn't just any calculator. This is basically what I wanted to build in high school, and inside a TA calculator, putting a Raspberry Pi in it, but never got completely finished. In fact, let me grab that right now just to show it off. Oops. Is my mic peaking? Does it sound bad? Where would I put it? That's not it. I don't know where I put it. When I rustle, it's not good. Dang it. I'll just keep the mic there then. Oh, there it is. I put it up here. So this is as far as I got on the calculator. It's not very inside of the TI calculator, but if we hit the on button on the calculator, which this keypad was meant to emulate the TI one, it's pretty one-to-one, like the button wise. It actually turns on. And I think I have it right now rigged up to display Twitch chat, but it's got this Raspberry Pi on the outside, obviously, and then ooh, that screen is misaligned on the inside. Yep, there it goes. Welcome to Raspberry Pi desktop. Get this out of the way for you. It may or may not fully boot up. I'm not sure. 7355608. I mean, yeah, that's all. Everything I build looks like the bomb from Counter-Strike. Here's another specimen. While this is booting up, I'm gonna try and beat the high score on this. Although, this is gonna have to move a little bit. In fact, we are now 2 tangents deep from PicoCalc. Worst unboxing channel ever. Oh, and I've taken my mat that goes here, that's fine. Alright, here we go. Right. Get this out of the way. Ah! When one of the caps is off. That's fine. I'll find it eventually, maybe. Makes it slower. If I lean down, I can see better. That corner one is really finicky. So it's still booting up there. Only 182. I needed 30 more to beat the score. Let me try and find this cap. Well, if it's not up here, it's gonna be buried somewhere. Alright, I just gotta go faster. Ready, go. That's gonna mess me up. $190. alternate keycap. Let me see if I have the another device. Same keycaps. Let me try a different strategy. Nope. I bet I could get better at this one though. Yeah, this has got to be better in the long term. Two fingers, maybe thumb and finger, yeah. We're thinking. Why we're blocking the lights too. When is this thing gonna boot up? I'm just gonna try more reliable here. Yep. Ah! Oh, that's close. Closer. 202. Oh, 203. What is the purpose of this device? The one that's booting up still? It's to be a hidden computer inside a calculator. This one's just a whack-a-mole. Alright, one more try here. Jeez, I'm getting worse. This thing's probably broken. I don't know. I should just turn it off. No, that didn't turn it off. Oh, that's the ground pin. That's the... I think I need to do this. Nope. Not sure. Oh, weird. I want to continue the unboxing, but I gotta beat that. Alright, here we go. I messed up a lot. Try again. Can't even get myself in the frame. There we go. And the mic is right there. It's probably horrendous audio. I don't think I'm gonna beat this one today. One more time. I should hit that broken corner button. Ah! Corner button. today, I guess. Sorry about the mic. I guess we can turn this light on too. Alright, hold on. Where's the chat? Copy link. Capture. Select window. Cancel. Wait. I just want to share this. There it is. Control F. There we go. Boom. I can hear it. Why calculator? I don't understand it. But it does have the word calculator in it. Alright. Ooh. Look at that. That's right, I have to buy lithium batteries. Or just use the USB for now. Whoa. Don't panic. Yeah, don't. Oops. Oh my goodness, this is still gonna be the worst audio ever. Sorry. I'm gonna take this part apart. Ooh. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh wait, didn't I get a text while I was playing the game? Let's see. You got all the GPIO. Speakers. Where's the speakers? Is that these? It is. So inside this back case. I ordered this so long ago, I forgot it had speakers. Okay. And so the contacts, it just sort of presses on it to connect, I think. So the contacts need to be facing outward. Oh, there's the cool tab. Okay, screen. So secure the screen with mounting tape to it. Is it included? Dang it, I didn't think about this. I don't think it's included. Oh, remove the protective layer. Oh. Is that this? No, this goes on the outside. I mean, I have like a command strip I could use. But... What? They gave me a SD card, not even a micro SD card. That's crazy. I thought it just came with the adapter. It also comes with the Pico, but this one doesn't have Wi-Fi. I'm gonna swap that out later. Yeah, I don't see any whatchamacallits. Any mounting tape. It's here. So I'm just gonna leave that for now. And peel the screen thing. Ooh. If I find it later, I'll add it. Oh, you know what though? Seems like the thickness doesn't matter. So I can just use like a command strip or something. Or I could just use some masking tape for now. Doesn't seem that strong. I can always change it. Okay, not the keycaps. It's already done. Oh, that's useful. There's the mounting tape. Stickers. What is this? Labels. That's cool. jeez. Mount the core. Deploy the core. Core deployed. Mount the main board. Onto which side? Into this side, I guess. Connect the screen. Oh, it's a flip up. How do they get custom thing that says clockwork on the... That's super cool. The screen is custom to this. Snap that closed, okay. Insert the SD card. Full size SD card. Mount the back shell. So let me make sure this is lined up. I guess it is. Just kind of sits there. No, why is this lying? I'm assuming that emote is the one that goes. Ooh, I could shove a bunch more electronics in there too. And they gave me 2 extra screws. With the batteries, battery cover. Don't have them. Just tighten these a little bit. me grab a cable for this. Yeah, it's not gonna reach, is it? Oh, actually, this cable won't reach. Okay, I think it's on. Oh, whoops, I forgot to mount the display glass. Did I? Dang it. Did I already break it? You can't see it very well on the camera, but I think I already broke it. I probably tightened it too much. Dang it. Suppose I'll download the files. And see, but I think I messed it up. Hello, I'm here for the beer. Yeah, I think I messed it up. I think I cracked the screen already. But I wanted to... There we go. You have 2 files. Is this the USB? Oh, I have to hold down the boot button. So I have to open it back up anyway. Dang it. So they told me incorrect. Dang it. If you accidentally press the keyboard while screwing the case together, the screen misaligned quick. Damn. Well, I'll have to email them. I did tape it down. I've been following... The one time I follow the instructions, and turns out there's more to it than that. The instructions, as written, cause you to damage the screen, unfortunately. Either way, I'm still going to flash the firmware here. But then next time when I plug in a Pico, I'll do that before putting the board in. Or like I'll take the board out to plug in a new Pico. That way it doesn't, because I think I squeezed it. Yeah, I think I squeezed it like that, which probably applied pressure to the screen. Damn. Alright, I need to get a cable. I'm not sure if this cable has data or not, but we'll find out. Boot select. No? No, it must not have data. There we go. So, which UF2 file should I get? I guess Physics. It's also NES. Physics first. And then gotta drag it into the folder. Oh. Then what after I drag it into the folder? Okay, I think that's it. Try it again. Well, it's not turned on anymore. Try that again. In fact, oh shoot, I gotta keep that there against the screen. Oh damn. So the code's working, but it's definitely, screen is definitely broken. Alright, well I guess that's the end of that today. Got a picture of this. Might as well just apply the screen protector now. Which, it was already broken before I applied the screen protector. Like in the step that said to do it, so it wasn't an order of operations problem. What? Why is it sideways? Oh, that looks good. Thought it looked weird at first under the sideways, but hey, nice. Oh, jeez. Alright. Oh, write a picture. I suppose I need to order the batteries anyway. So in the future I'll unplug this cable, take the whole board out, unplug the Pico, and then when I screw this down I'll just do it lightly. Oh. Well, let's look at these while we're here. So is that this? 2, 3, 28 ground. Yard 0, 2. Yeah. And this one, I'm not sure about that one. Is that version 1 or something? That's it on the guide. Oh, I can get to the micro SD as well. That's cool. And change the screen brightness with Alt and caret. Didn't some text come up last time? tried cooling it with a fire extinguisher. I must admit I have not. Alright. So I just need to order batteries and then see if they'll help me or give me a replacement screen. Although I'm a bit worried that the text didn't come up the second time. That's alright. Yeah. Oops. Alright. That's what I was doing, is putting these things on. So that's that. It goes right here. Oh, it needs to wrap around because it's not big enough if you don't do it. Or rather, it's too big, not enough space. It's fine. I don't know why they have two labels, but it's fine. And they've got these, I guess, for the back here. That's probably good. Damn. Disappointed now. Wish I would have read up on it before assembling it. I mean, I read the instructions and I assumed that would be fine. Oh, I can hit the boot select button without opening it. Let's try the other UF2 file. Suppose I need the power. I guess now is when we find out if it can be powered from a computer, or if it needs that other one I was using before, which was a higher voltage. Now it's just displaying nothing to the screen. to physics. Here's the one I know is working. I can't bump the screen at all anymore to try things, but oh, YouTube chat broke. Let me see. YouTube chat broke a while ago and it was a pain to fix. And now I think it's broken again. Logs, all containers. Dang, I'm probably just gonna have to look into this later. Oh. This too. There we go. YouTube fetch error. Some error fetching chat messages. Status code 400. Okay. Oh, damn. So, the last time, here I can show. Last time it was this. Changes after mid-October 2025. That, and then that helped me fix it. But now I've got to look for anything else. I don't know how I would search correctly, but I guess I can always get back to this. But this is the main branch. I think I need to go to this one. Nope. What does that say? Fork. I just need to get to that one. Indigo 128 chat downloader. Everything's breaking. This is one commit ahead. And that was it. I guess I can do compare like compare forks. I don't know how to view all the forks. There's that PR. The only ones after that, these. I suppose I can just test YouTube live chat downloader, and I think I have my fork of this one. Nothing works and no one knows why. Yeah. So in theory, if I just try this out, I'll give it a valid URL, it should work. But I forget exactly how to do this. Multibot. Alright, now I can share that. Make sure this is not anything important. Oh. I forget how this works. Oh, I didn't save it. Ah. Dang, so they changed it again. Oh, although I gotta get a valid live stream URL. So let me grab mine. I don't know how to do that from here. Don't want to copy my stream key. Live. Copy link. Okay, let's try typing in the chat. So it's coming through in here. Whoops. Could be an issue just detecting what the URL is. Okay, it just takes a while to come through. But it never showed up in the actual one. Now I'm just curious. Oh, that didn't stay as mean too. Well, whatever. Now I'm just curious about what's going on. I guess I still am. But I'm glad this at least works. I know this works. So it must be an issue in the actual multibot itself. But I can read YouTube chat in here. And apparently you're #1 top fan. Probably because you're subscribed. Let me see what it thinks the YouTube URL is. Parse error stream not live. Oh, did I make it private or something? Oh, you know what? It's probably, no, it's not private because I viewed it. You were able to find it. I don't know where that setting is though. Let me just double check that. Oh, it says public right there. I think this is an issue with finding the live stream URL because it's a little bit janky how it does that. YouTube chat. No, YouTube API. Yeah. It's literally searching through the JSON data in the, whatchamacallit, in the channel page. So if I were to go and save that channel page, I could see if it works or if something's changed. Well, I'm glad it's not the same thing that broke, but I'm frustrated that it broke at all. So if I do that, there it is. That's just public information. And then it's looking through, oh, that's why it was in here. Okay. Channel, make sure it can read it. We're looking for YT initial data. There it is. There's two of them. YT initial data equals. And the error is not YT initial data not found, right? So parse error stream not live. Interesting. Continuations. Oh yeah, so what I was doing then here, var initial YT data, let me just grab only this line. No. Control Shift I. There's a lot more. So I have the matching bracket highlighted. Yeah, it's that one. So the rest of this is garbage. Save that. Format it. Okay, so now done with that. Stream not live. Suppose I can also just run this because it's oh, that's part of this. Parse initial data. Oh. I'm confused. Okay. In this one, It didn't fail to parse the initial JSON, I don't think. YouTube ID sub URL. And that's what I was testing just now. So video renderer. There's a lot of them. Thumbnail overlay style equals live. I'll search for live. There. This is too much. I can try this in the thing though. I don't know how to do this properly, but YouTube ID. I need my YouTube ID. Oops. Oh. Okay. In theory, that should be the live ID. Watch $v equals that. Yeah, and that's right. So that works. Next component. Is it the initial data? No, that's part of this. So we know that works. Search all JSON. Search ID handler. That's not even. Oh, that's the thing that handles network requests for that. Yeah, and so that was the thing I'm worried about here, is in this thing. So back to this one. Or trash it. And now that's fine. So this one, for some reason it works. Maybe I got my IP got blocked. Oh hey Koto. Everything's broken. I don't know if you were here when this thing was broken. It plugged in. Oh. But the screen is broken. Hold on. Weird lines on it. Kind of hard to see. And now YouTube chat's broken again. Turn that off. But the problem about YouTube chat being broken is that YouTube chat works locally here. I'm gonna actually try just restarting restarting the container. What's the command? Rollout restart. YouTube already connected, will not connect. Interesting. Fetch error. What was that from before? Fetch error, yeah. I think my IP has probably gotten blocked or something from fetching YouTube chat messages. It's hard to actually know. I might be able to pull up a shell on there though. Connected to YouTube chat. I think I have to wait 1 minute between whenever it's going to have the next log message. Instead of all containers, I'll just do mine. Shoot, I have to find what the actual name of it is. Oh, it should be working now. Let's try the YouTube chat. It'll show up on the local as well, but let's see. Oh, okay. I just have to restart him. So I'm gonna go ahead and restart all the containers. And I'm gonna try and figure out why it's making all these requests even when they're not connected before I do that. It's all container logs. Okay, so that was just a bit of a scare. It just needed to be restarted. Has been running for 22 days. Even when things work, it's just like, well, now YouTube's just gonna change something else. Whatever. What now? Oh. I need to reply. Alright. Guess there's nothing else to do with this. Do I have any little bags? Whoops. For anything. I have them somewhere. I'm just gonna keep all this together. I asked Koto if she's still playing CS2. I can just check the stream. No? I guess, I guess I was mistaken. Oh, I need to. I guess. Okay, that fits. I mean, these cables, they're kind of standard. I don't need to put them in there. I'll put these stickers with my stickers. Let's see if the cables fit. Oh, I'm really bummed about the screen. It's alright. It wasn't like, this device is all just for fun anyway, so try not to let it stress me out. Oh. To bend the instructions. Too late. probably don't need to save this, but just until I get my screen replacement, I'll save it. Oh, I'll put it here. Well, there's the Loreus box. The glorious Loreus. Suppose the one effect of cooling it, other than making it cold, is to make this sticker a little easier to peel off. Oh, there's a little flower underneath. That's cool. And what do you know? Let me see if I can. It says Loreus under it. Model exclusive. Oops. I'm also going to properly wash this at some point. For now, I also have somewhere. I have like stuff to clean this better. Oh, it's not even centered. There, Loreus. Model exclusive. There we go. Yeah, I'll just wash that by hand later. I'll just put that away. Suppose I'll write down my to-do list that I have to get a replacement screen. And there's one other thing I had to do. Batteries. I had another thing I had to do, but I don't remember it. I don't know. Don't really have much else to do on stream. I have to figure out why YouTube chat is breaking after a long time of running. And in fact, why is it trying to fetch chat messages for people who are not live? Which is probably related. So when it's not live, it says YouTube fetching chat message or connecting to the channel /live, parse error, stream not live. I guess what I can do is implement a thing where it kind of waits for it to go live before trying to... How would it tell it's live? I'll figure that out later, but I wrote it down. I think that's all I got. I'll probably just chill out and watch Vern stream. Yeah. Alright, y'all, let's raid Vern.
There was no need for all that.
Raid now. Alright, bye y'all.